New product development. Brandon Laundry.
Five, 4, 3, 2, 1, go.
Introduce to you Smart Laundry System, Brand-On Laundry. Our business vision is to revolutionize the laundry experience through smart technology, making it seamless, efficient, and accessible for everyone, anytime, anywhere. Our mission is to simplify and modernize the laundry experience by providing a smart, user-friendly system that lets users book, track, and manage their laundry anytime, while helping service providers run more efficiently. Now, what is our main problem? Despite developments in smart home and IoT technology, the laundry industry has lagged in implementing new solutions to these issues. This gap emphasizes the need for a smart, connected system that may increase consumer comfort, optimize machine utilization, and update the whole laundry experience. Here it comes! The Smart Laundry System. Smart Laundry System lets you reserve machines, track progress, and get notified, all from a simple mobile app. Our goals is to reduce wait times with real-time machine availability, enable remote reservations, and boost satisfaction through instant updates and notifications. Boost efficiency by reducing machine idle time, and support eco-friendly practices through optimized water and energy use. Now I will show you our product description. If you use our apps at first, it will pop up login page. And then you can choose what service do you want to use. The apps will show if there are any available machines that you can use. And then you can choose the available washer or dryer to make a payment. For the payment, you can choose either online banking, debit or credit card, and e-wallet. And if there is any problem, you can contact us directly on our 24-hour customer services, email, and our website to buy our product. That's all for me. Thanks for watching.